Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to buy Robux using Google Play Balance. First, make sure the exact Google account with the balance is signed in on your Android device. Once done, open the Roblox app and go to the Robux page. Don't waste time on settings you won't use. Make sure Play Store shows the balance at the top of the payment methods screen. If necessary, top up with a Play gift card before continuing so the purchase won't fail for insufficient funds. Now pick the Robux bundle or premium purchase you want. When you tap Buy, the Google Play payment sheet appears. Here you must explicitly choose your Play balance as the payment method so it will be charged. You'll authenticate with your device, use fingerprint, PIN, or password, so make sure those are working. Once you confirm, Google processes the payment and Roblox should grant Robux immediately. If the app lags, wait a minute before retrying, because transactions sometimes need a short sync period. After purchase, make sure Robux appear in your Roblox inventory and that Google Play emailed a receipt. That confirms the charge. If you don't see Robux, check order history in Play Store and your Roblox purchase history. Sometimes a short delay occurs. If the payment failed, verify your Play balance, country settings, and parental controls. Those often block purchases. As a last resort, clear Play Store cache, restart the device, and contact Google or Roblox support with the order ID for a swift resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.